Hello everyone, my name is Kwanghyuk Kwon from South Korea. I'm working for the Ministry of the Interior and Safety of Korea. My presentation topic is about Korean school safety program and effective disaster education using Metaverse. Then let's look at it. Korean school safety program co-developed by the Ministry of the Interior and Safety of Korea, Incheon City, and UNDR Incheon office in 2016 to complement Korea's disaster safety education for children. Looking at characteristics, school program focus on providing students with information regarding what to be known and done prior to disasters and utilizes diverse training materials such as Riskland and Hazard Bingo game to promote better engagement. Then, next, let's look at objectives of a school safety program. First, students can clearly understand the meaning of disasters. Secondly, students can learn what they can do to prevent disasters. Thirdly, students can become more aware of hazards around them. Lastly, students can develop their capacities to save their own lives. School program contents are like this. First 20 minutes is to promote better understanding on the concept of disaster risk reduction. Secondly, 10 minutes is to realize the importance of disaster prevention training. Next 30 minutes is to advance the knowledge on disaster using games such as Riskland game. Lastly, 30 minutes is to review the overall training content. School program use various training materials, visual materials, telesmith video, Riskland game, hazard bingo, and online quiz. In case of online quiz, we developed it last year due to COVID-19, and we used for online school program. UNDR school program is being carried out in cooperation with Korean government, city, and civic groups. Civic group is a Citizens Coalition for Safety, called CCS. At first, this partnership project focused training of teachers, and it conducts in 8 different regions in Korea. Every year, more than 200 teachers and lecturers participate in this training nationwide. We have conducted school programs since 2016, and total number of students and teachers are more than 24,000. I really would like to introduce one of good examples, which is Korean disaster safety training for children. School, government, NGOs, and UNDR Incheon office are working together to provide a better understanding disaster. In this training module, school safety program is included. This is a very good exemplary collaboration case in South Korea, I think. These are the photos of school safety program in Korea. Students will enjoy the group activities with riskland game and hazard bingo game. UNDR intern office analyzed the school safety program through some expert agency. As you see the graphs, school program analyzes as a very effective program in terms of disaster awareness, and the satisfaction level of students are very high, especially in case of riskland game. Yeah, students are very satisfied. As we recognized, school closed for a very long period of time due to COVID-19. So then what should we do? I thought we need to take action for students for the future. In this background, I came up with school program using the Metaverse platform like this. Let's look at the effect of a Metaverse-based school program. First of all, as you know, Metaverse is compound word with meta and universe. This is about digital new world. Metaverse has very convenient functions in terms of communication and mobility in the digital space. And this can be real-time interaction. Metaverse-based education have children empower collaboration through connectivity. Lastly, it brings the improvement of social empathy through immersive experience and avatar. This metaverse-based disaster education is also very useful, not only for the period of COVID-19, but also for students living in island and remote areas. This is practicable for like leave no one behind. These are the effects of metaverse-based education. Then let's go to school safety program in Metaverse, where I'm gonna meet some of my colleagues. We are here in Metaverse cyber world. So hi Susan, Judy, Sarah, and Charlie. So let's look around the school program. Some information, that is the video, and then also you guys can approach this whiteboard, press X. You can access also the UND school safety program and also other parts. This room is for group activity room. That our school safety program use the game-based private space. So others here, around this table. So this is very important, and then important functions for talking within groups. So in this room, you can just take a rest. Can you, if you press Z, you can dance, actually. So
if you press G, that is invisible. You can be an invisible man. So you can pass the other avatars, I think. And then, yeah, we can use that various functions. If you press X, you can access some various information, and then G can be invisible man, and Z, and you can dance. And then if you press number from 1 or 2, from 1 to 6, just you can use that emoticon or something like that. Just easy to express your emotion. And then, as I said, if you press the participant, and then if you put your mouse other avatar, and then press right click, and then follow, you can meet that avatar easily. So there are various functions for digesters, and then the lecturers or teachers can also use this whiteboard for explaining. Then let's move on other part. You cannot pour into the portal. Just this is a room for experiencing VR. So I'm gonna show that if I press X here, VR experience on this part. So, and then we're gonna move to library. You can access all the information about the disaster risk reduction. And also one of the important functions is portal. So we can go to UNDRR if you come here. How about, oh, Susan here, and then how about others? Please go to under the arrow. So, and then we also back to the school program also here. And how about fire station? We can go to fire station. We can, yeah, easily. This UNDRO and fire station is constructing stage. So let's back to school program place, and then yeah, that's actually very convenient objectives, and using objectives, convenient functions using objectives. So you can present your presentation file using this whiteboard, and yeah, it's better than Zoom functions. So yeah, this is that school program using Metaverse platform. So I think children's enjoying. Children's like this. They are already adapted like this environment. So yeah, that's it.